Hi there, today I'm going to make a bean compass. I made one years ago, which is this one here. Not a lot wrong with it apart from this pin here. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky to adjust and be accurate with it because you have to spin these two nuts to tighten it up and it can move. So the plan today is to make a slightly better version of this. So just before I start the build, if you enjoy the content that I'm putting out on the channel, please consider subscribing. Compass complete. That's the old one in comparison. Nice and easy to adjust with one hand, which is great. If you're wondering, it's all made out of stainless steel, including the nuts and bolts, and the pin is obviously a cut down stainless steel bolt. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.